candy.
Okay, come. Auntie bought you candy?
You wanna see, guys?
Okay.
First we go on the table.
All right, go on.
I'm excited.
Oh, you're so excited?
Let's open the can, guys. There's so many.
Okay.
First we're gonna do it here.
Did you call Milan?
Yeah.
And what did she say to you? Was she mean to you today?
No.
Okay. Is she so excited to see you today?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I don't want to lose that. So
Okay.
Let's open it.
Let's see what we got.
Chips
Chips.
and these.
Uh-huh. Those are Auntie's favorite.
Like these.
All right, and what else did you get?
I got Smarties.
Mm-hmm.
Some more. And I'm so excited to open it.
You're excited?
Yeah.
Wow.
All of it.
Okay, so all of that fell in the bag. So you're gonna pick up, what else did you get?
These.
Okay, that's for Auntie too.
And
So do not tell your mother that we have this candy, okay?
okay, so first I'm going to try this one.
You're gonna try that one?
And then this one.
Oh boy.
So good. Comment below if you buy candy for your kids.
Did you hear what she said, my lovelies? What did you say?
I said, comment below if you buy candy for your kids.
Comment below if you buy candy for your kids. So, okay. Let me understand this. This is not spaghetti?
It's spaghetti. She can have sauce on hers, but I just want, like, no sauce on mine.
No sauce on
I
yours.
don't want sauce.
Okay.
Okay, so you just want like what, black pepper and...
I'm gonna put black pepper, salt, and yeah, that's it really.
And then eat it with what, noodles?
Yeah, or I might just leave it alone.
Okay, all right, so there you go.
With garlic bread and stuff.
And corn.
Yeah. I
Okay,
just like mincemeat by itself.
all right.
But this is pretty much done.
There's Samia watching on. So about the kitchen, we're almost finished. Well, 99% finished. These are not the stools, but we did have stools that came, but they happened to have been too high for the counter, too high. So we took them back, but they're gonna look like this. Or I might change my mind. So almost finished. I'm gonna give you guys a tour as soon as that microwave gets here. Oh, I tell you, the kitchen isn't complete until the microwave gets here. Okay,
Okay.
so what are you gonna do now with this mincemeat?
It needs some salt and pepper.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to season it.
Do you know where the salt and pepper is located? Okay, we've got a spice rack. Woo!
You're gonna need salt, and I honestly don't know what pepper looks like.
Milan, you're not serious. Look up here too. This is another one.
That's
Okay,
not
that's
pepper,
the-
though. Salt, pepper should be here, but
Fine pepper, we have pepper. What is that, Milan?
where? This is pepper.
Read.
Black. Do I have to shake it?
You don't have
it
to
doesn't
read.
look like it's pepper.
Yeah, it's pepper.
Shake it. You have to shake it. Okay.
You don't really have
shake
to shake pepper, but you know, in your world.
it. This isn't pepper. This is pepper. Oh, it's the same thing.
Yeah. Sea salt. Why don't you use sea salt?
It's right here. Sea salt. Sal de table. Oh. No, but it's sea salt.
Where? Where do you see sea salt? That's table salt, Milan.
Okay.
What is one doing? What are you doing? Huh? Eating the candy still?
Yeah.
Lord, girl. Okay, come off of there.
No.
This is her favorite place to be. But if you fall backwards. Anyways. So you're
As
seasoning.
I'm doing this, I'm just putting on the warmer on low so that it saturates. Or I don't
Simmers, Milan.
Yeah, I don't know what the word is.
Okay.
I miss the old kitchen.
Huh?
I miss the old kitchen.
You miss the old kitchen?
Yeah.
Aw. I kind of miss the old kitchen too.
Huh?
I don't
But
miss that piece.
not really. Not for long.
I don't miss that.
This is
piece of
sea
junk.
salt.
I
This
don't
is sea
need that.
salt.
I don't need that. Thank you though, but I don't need it.
What would you like to do?
Can we taste it, your England and your Madison?
Sure. Here.
Your
ready?
Majesty.
It's not done yet.
Well, I'm so glad you cooked your own meal.
Thank you.
This is a great life.
Tomorrow, stay tuned. I'm gonna make mozzarella sticks. And what do you want to eat tomorrow?
She'll be at
Rice.
daycare.
Some rice
Rice?
and chicken.
Okay. So how are you guys? Now they originally come from Guyana. And how is school up here now?
Good.
You're loving it?
I hate the Guyana school.
You hate the Guyana school? Why? Tell me
I
why.
get beat with a ruler.
Huh?
Whenever you make one mistake, you just get hit with a ruler.
Oh, you're kidding. So who used to get the most hits?
Me. Me?
Both of you guys? So do they hit you here in Canada?
Nope. Nope.
So you could behave bad and they don't hit you?
Nope.
Do you behave bad?
No. No.
You guys are good boys. So what if I told you we're packing you up and sending you back to Guyana to go to school in September? What would you do?
I would jump out the plane.
He said he would jump out the plane.
I would jump out the plane, run, look at directions, and where my house is, I'll just run back. I never want to see Guyana ever again.
Oh,
In September, I'm not going.
you're supposed to go?
No, I'm gonna go in grade 1. There's cockroaches.
There's cockroaches here too.
No.
You ever
But you
seen
don't see them that often.
Oh, you don't see them. What else is there that they have in Guyana that you
Frogs. Frogs.
and they have frogs?
In our
They have
backyard.
frogs. They have frogs here too.
In your backyard?
Yeah, there's frogs everywhere.
Ain't no frogs.
What else? Do you like the food here?
Yeah. Yes.
What's your favorite?
Cupcakes.
Cupcakes.
Ice cream.
And
Ice cream.
And ice cream.
I'm gonna French. I'm gonna speak French.
You're gonna speak French? You're
French
going French
immersion.
school? You're going to French immersion?
No. No. In grade 4, they teach you how to speak French.
Oh gosh, and you're gonna do so good because I know that you guys are smart. Why don't you get Milan to teach you how to speak French? She speaks French.
I don't speak French.
Oh yeah, we forgot. Bonjour. Bonjour, madame. When she was trying, what? Yeah, the Punta Cana, Miles, the Punta Cana. And the little boy was lost, and we're like, the mother's French, Milan, the mother's French, come. And Milan goes, bonjour.
In a desperate time of need.
Desperate time of need, when everybody on the beach needs help to find the boy, and we find French Milan, and she says, bonjour. There's Trevor and Gail. Hey, and Mama. Mama, they're always looking for you, you know.
Always.
They're like, where's Mama? Where's Mama? Well, there she is. So, okay, kitchen reaction, because I was upstairs.
This kitchen is absolutely off the chain.
Oh my gosh, okay.
It's my ideal kitchen.
Nice.
White
Good.
with gray, my ideal kitchen. I'm jealous actually.
No, you're not, because he could come over
I am.
every time.
I am.
Well, you can get this. Gail gets what she wants.
I always do.
She's spoiled. She gets what she wants.
I'm always
Right?
Yeah.
I
just
gotta
have
wait.
to whine a little.
Yeah, she
I
whines.
get it, yeah.
She whines and she gets it. I have to wait 20 years.
I just have to whine. Just so I can see me
So
whining, and then I get it.
right. So take note. This is what you're gonna be getting next.
It's awesome. I love it.
Warren, I'm gonna start whining.
Ain't gonna work.
No, you can't take the wine. You maybe don't wine bad enough.
Okay, so what did you whine for lately that you got?
You don't understand.
Oh, that trip. The
Yeah.
last trip.
They're always on a trip.
No, you don't understand. It's the wine. It's the Trinidadian wine. That's the mistake you're making.
So wait, you whined for what now and you got? What was the last thing you whined
You
for?
don't want to talk about it.
Okay, all right, but you got it,
Not yet.
but it's on the way.
It's in the making.
Location change. We're over by Uncle Jackie because it's hot and we're making the best out of it. There's Mama and Uncle Warren. There's Stacy.
Looking good. Why you walk my mom?
Yep.
You know Stacy, mama? They're not coming?
Gail has changed.
Yeah.
Oh my God! What? Gail!
Good. We're good.
Put the footrest down for her.
Now put the foot.
Hold on, mama. Watch your legs there. Woo,
Take her, you flip Mama over, eh, Miles? You're going to come for a swim?
When I go home, I take my clothes and I go back to Japan. One miserable son of a bitch.
Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Oh God.
That's what I said.
Well, look your sexy husband over there going in
With his shirt off. Shirt off, books in.
He's bringing sexy back.
Sun's out, guns out.
Books in.
Yep. Going with your granddad. Daddy, oh my God. Jackie's dancing up a storm.
Daddy, loosen her up. Yeah.
Jackie,
Loosen up, grandma.
what we gonna get tonight? What did you say?
Little brothers.
Jackie. Hey, look who's here. Miss Chloe Chanel is here, and I love your braids.
Thank you.
So pretty. Now, Chloe is our cousin from New York, Jersey.
New Jersey.
She flew in from Dubai though,
Yeah.
because she's on a world tour, y'all. And so what is it that you do? Oh my, you're making all sorts of designs.
Doing my baby hairs.
Yeah. We have to get this eco gel, right? Oh,
Tutorial quick.
But I'm hearing about this eco gel. Milan's telling me don't
Yeah,
put it in
this
my
is
hair.
Really? But
Really?
I still use it.
It's good
Yeah,
though.
I thought it was
It causes cancer. apparently.
So does everything.
No,
Yeah, so
gosh,
does everything.
I don't
Like,
know. I don't know.
what does it?
I don't know. And there's cousin Clint over there laughing at all of the things that we were saying, right? Anyways, Clint came over to give Chloe some money. Oh my God. Cousin Clint, yeah, comes over because, you know, Chloe's just spending her money on getting braids
I spent all
and
my money already, guys.
on food.
You spent your money? I spent all my money. Uncle Clint had to just bring me money.
Yeah, Uncle Clint. Yeah, because her dad said, yo, Clint, get over there and give her money. He could have asked me, but maybe I'm not rich enough.
No, I paid my own.
Hey, Clint.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, that looks so cute.
Hey,
It looks
you're done already?
Just like that.
Yep, just like that.
Milan, you're sporting braids too.
Yeah, but mine are starting to get messy.
Yeah, you're starting to? Huh.
My mom could do good braids.
Why don't you get braids?
My mom could do good braids like this.
I can't braid. I'm not even gonna front. I used to send her next door to get her hair braided, all from when she was small. I couldn't do the hair. But why don't you get braids like Chloe?
Yeah, you can do braids. I don't have patience. That took 5 hours. Okay, but it's worth it.
But do you know you can buy the braids already braided?
Yeah, already braided. You can get like fake ones.
Yeah, and just
Tell her.
put them on.
They get the braids.
Yeah. I'm going to crop over. Y'all know I'll be in Barbados.
Yeah.
So Miles says he wants to go and get a wine off of Rihanna
Yeah, why not?
with all the security around.
He thought. He thought.
One for me and all the homies at home,
I believe in you.
One for me and one for them that missed out.
Oh my God.
Nothing for you.
Just open it There's more
Negative
recycling.
aspect. Look, throw it in. Uh-oh.
Y'all look real good washing the dishes, I could say.
Where are you going for the weekend?
Not sure for the whole weekend yet. All I know, I want to go to Soka Die on Thursday.
Statue antigen is kind of bad, guys. See, tough.
She's tough.